Hello, Brian, and thank you for being here today. So I couldn't help but notice the unusual traffic and vehicle parked in our parking lot with different brands and logos. What's going on?
Right. So Sal, for our values here at Master Services, one of them is one passion. And that value is that we are relentless in our pursuit of constant improvement. And what that means, is we're constantly training here at the office, right? Whether it's our office personnel, our appointment center, our sales, our production, service, we're always working to figure out how to get better and serve our customers better. And as one of the leaders in our industry, we actually host trainings and bring in other dealers from around the nation that are wanting to learn what we're doing as well. And so today we actually had day 3 of training that we've had dealers from all across the nation here training with us here at Master Services.
Wow, so you're telling me the Master Services not only serves the East Tennessee, but it's a sort of a point of reference point for other companies as well.
Yeah, we've been very fortunate. We worked hard over the past many years to become one of the leaders in the industry. And as a result of that, there's a lot of other dealers throughout the nation who are looking to find out what we're doing to take such great care of our customers that they're coming here to learn that in person.
Okay, so for the people who may not know, what do we do exactly at Master Services?
Oh, that's fair. So we are a basement crawl space waterproofing as well as foundation repair company. So what that means is customers have problems with their basements, water in there, crawl spaces, nasty crawl spaces, settling foundations. They call us to find out exactly what's going on with their house, what the solutions are, what the causes are, and how we can help them fix it.
Well, so Brian, yes, all things basement team.
All things basement team.
Correct. So you have been personally involved into this part of training and development. So how you been liking this role, and how you see yourself fitting into this new, I would say, adventure with Master Services and the whole network at this point?
Yeah, absolutely. So as you know, Sal, training is very personal to me. I've actually been a sales manager, sales trainer for better part of 25 years now. And this new role in training and development allows me not only to work with our team here in Knoxville, but with dealers all across the nation. And we're able to help them find out how to best take care of customers, provide them the best solutions, best warranties, and the best price in the industry.
Well, thank you, Brian, for being here today.
Absolutely.
Now I know why the parking lot is full.
Absolutely.